Question number 8. Draw an angle of 70 degree. Make a copy of it using only a straight edge and compasses. Steps of construction. A. Draw an angle 70 degree with protractor, that is angle POQ equals to 70 degree. So students, let us draw angle POQ equals to 70 degree with the help of protractor. So here let us make one ray OQ. Now with the help of protractor we will mark 70 degree. So here we will mark 70 degree with the help of protractor, and let us join these 2 points with the help of scale and label P. And students, angle POQ is 70 degree. This we have done with the help of protractor. Now let us see next step. Next step is draw a ray AB. So students, with the help of scale we will draw one ray AB. Let us label A and here B. Now let us see next step. Place the compasses at O and draw an arc to cut the rays of angle POQ at L and M. So students, now in this figure, earlier figure, what we have done with the protractor, there we have to place a compass pointer on O, and with any convenient radius, let us mark an arc on angle POQ. So students, we have marked an arc on angle POQ. We have to label this as L and M, that arc intersect both the rays. Now let us see next step. Use the same compasses setting to draw an arc with A as a center and cut AB at X. So here this is still same opening of the compass. Now in the figure which we have drawn below, where only ray AB we have drawn, there with A as a center we have to mark one arc with the same opening of the compass. So students, here we have marked one arc with A as a center. Now let us see another step. Set your compasses setting to the length of LM with the same radius. So here is our LM. We have to set the setting of length of LM, means we have to take distance of LM with the help of the compass. So here we have taken distance of LM. So this is the opening of the compass, which is distance of L and M. Now let us see next step. Place the compasses pointer at X and draw the arc to cut the arc drawn earlier at Y. So here the arc which intersect AB we have to label as X. Now with this same opening of the compass, this is opening of length LM. We have to place the compass at the center X. So here we have placed the compass at center X and we have to mark one arc, and this intersecting point of arc we have to label as Y. Now let us see next step. Join AY, thus angle YAX equals to 70 degrees. So students, we will join these AY with the help of scale. We will join these AY. So students, this is 70 degree angle. Question number 9. Draw an angle of 40 degree. Copy its supplementary angle. So students, let us see steps of constructions and draw angle. So students, let us see steps of construction. A. Draw an angle of 40 degree with the help of protractor, naming angle AOB. Students, let us draw an angle AOB with the help of the protractor. So first of all, we will draw ray OB. Now with the help of the protractor, we have to mark an angle 40 degrees. So this is our 40 degree angle. Now let us join these 2 points. So students, we will join these two points, and this is our A, and this angle is 40 degree. Now let us see next step. Draw a line. So what is next step? Draw a line PQ. So students, let us draw a line PQ below this figure. So here we will draw one line PQ. So this is our line PQ. Now let us see next step. Take any point M on PQ. So here we have to take a point M on PQ. Now let us see next step. Take the compasses at O and draw an arc to cut the rays of angle AOB at L and N. So here the angle which we have drawn with the protractor, we will take these compasses at O and we will draw an arc that cut angle AOB. So here we have drawn an arc which cuts at angle AOB, and let us label this as L and N. Now let us see next step. Use the same compasses setting to draw an arc O as center cutting MQ at X. Means the same compasses that we have drawn as O as a center. So this is the same opening of the compass. We have to cut MQ at X. So let us draw this. So students, taking M as a center with the same opening of the compass, we will make one arc. So here we have make an arc with M as a center and same opening of the compass. Now what we have to label this MQ? We have to label this MQ as X. Set your compasses to length Ln with the same radius. Now we have to set our compass with length Ln. So here this is our length Ln opening of the compass. Let us see next step. Place the compasses at X and draw the arc to cut the arc drawn earlier Y. So here we will place the compass at X, we will draw one arc, and we have to label this as Y, which cut at the earlier arc. Now we have to join this MY. This is Y point and we will join this MY point. So students, we have joined this MY. Now let us see next step. Join MY. Thus angle QMY equals to 40 degree and angle PMY is supplementary of it. So here we have joined this MY. So this angle QMY is 40 degree and this entire angle you can see angle PMY is supplementary. Means what? 180 minus 40, that is equals to 140 degrees. So this entire angle is 140 degree. So let us see again last step. Hence we have drawn angle QMY that is 40 degree and angle PMY is supplementary of 8. Thus angle QMY equals to 40 degree and angle PMY is supplementary of 8.